Hello all my dear students, welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tezip sir my dear students, and today we are going to learn a chapter number 30. What my dear students, what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn a chapter number 30. Got my points? What is the name of the chapter number 13 dear? What is the name of the chapter number 13? The name of chapter number 13 is handling data. Got my points, all of you? The name of chapter number 13 is handling a data. So my dear students, as per regularly, I am telling you, take out your book. Take out your book, all my dear students. Sit, attention here all, and sit properly, all my dear students. Take out your book, sit properly, and attention here, and you have to take the important stationery with you, like compass box, pencil, scale, and eraser. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? And then after, further we will going to chat over here as per regularly today's code, and then we will going to start our session. So I am presenting here today's code, my dear students. What is the today's code? So today's code is what? Let's check, all my dear students. Today's code is what, all dear students? So today's code is never give up. Never give up, because great things take a time. What, my dear all students? Never give up, because great things take a time. And what, all my dear students? Great things take a time. Never give up, because great things take a time. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. So keep it in mind, this code dear. So now further we will going to check the today's content. What is the today's content, all my dear students? Today's content is what? Today's contents or today's agenda. Agenda means what? Today's agenda means today we are going to learn. Today's agenda means what, all my dear students? Agenda means what? We are going to learn today these things. Yes, my dear all students, got my points? So now the first topic is introductions of data handling. Means introductions first we are going to learn. First we are going to check the introductions. Then after the second one is a looking back. Why a looking back? Because of already we learned that chapter handling data in third standard. Means I was taught you in third standard that chapter and that concept. So you have to keep it in mind, this thing better. And then a bar graph. I hope you know what is a bar graph. Then note down the name of this topic, bar graph. And then further in bar graph, two more further topics. The first is over the vertical bar graph, and then here horizontal bar graph. Which 2 point, all of you? Vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph. So note down this all topic, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear. And compulsory you have to write the today's agenda in your book, dear. Again I am going to repeat for you today's agenda. Introduction, looking back, bar graph, vertical bar graph, and horizontal bar graph. Understood all my dear students? So first of all I am going to explain the introductions of handling a data. Introductions of handling data. So you have to write this first. Introductions. What is a handling a data? Okay, that all I was taught you all that things. So introductions. A pictograph, and looking back also. A pictograph use a picture to symbol. A pictograph use a picture or symbol to show a number and represent information. A pictograph uses a picture or a symbol to show number and represent the information. The key tells you the meaning and the value of the picture of the symbol. Okay, so my dear all students, what is the meaning of pictograph? Pictograph means by the picture information, by the picture, by the symbol. We give information and we represent the information with the help of picture, symbol or images. Understood all of you? Note down these all important things dear, what I am telling you. Do fast. And you have to note down these all things better. So my dear all students, it use a bar to represent a number. Okay, again I am going to repeat for you. A pictograph use a picture or symbol to show a number and represent information. The key tells you the meaning and the value of the picture symbol. We can show the same information in a bar graph. It uses a bar to represent numbers like a pictograph, a bar graph. Also help us compare the information. Start writing this all information, all my dear students. Do fast. And then I am going to explain you dear all students. Take a time. A pictograph uses. So all my dear students, we are going to check the information as like that, the using of and the helping of bar graph and a pictograph. Got my points all of you? It use bar to represent the number like a pictograph or bar graph. Also help us compare information. Career choice of the students of class 4th are shown here. Means what is my meaning of this sentence? The meaning of this sentence is, my dear students, here the graph of the career choice of the students of class 4 are shown here. Career choice of the class 4 students. Okay, career choice of class students 4. Understood? Career choice of the students of class 4 are shown here. The career choice of the class 4 students, astronaut. Okay, so here my dear students, the first is pictograph, and the pictograph is what? Present. The pictograph is present. So what my dear all the meaning of this sentence? So here is the strength of the class 4 and how many students choose the career. Okay, so is any graph, in any graph here the information. Okay, see here the career choice of the students class 4. It's called a title of the graph. Title of the graph. Got my points all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down these important things in your book dear. Do fast. And here is astronaut, aviator, doctor, teacher. How many field or career is over there. First is astronaut, TV actor, doctor and teacher. What is the meaning of astronaut, my dear students? So astronaut is means those person, means scientists or those persons are in going to a space, visit to a space. It's called a astronaut. Okay, my dear all students. And TV anchor, doctor and teacher. And one more important things, my dear students, in below the graph is one more important things. It's called a key. It's called a key. Got my points, all of you? It's called is what? Key. And what is the meaning of key, my dear students? What is the meaning of this key? Key is present as something. What is the present this key? A key. Each smiley, here is the symbol of the smiley. Here is. So my dear students, what is the meaning of title? In upper side of the graph, always the one title is over there and it's called a title. Careers or choice of the class 4 students. Title: astronaut, TV actor, doctor and teacher. And key, what is the meaning of key? Here they use a smile. They use a smile. And what is the meaning of the smiley? Each smiley is equal to how many students? Each smiley is equal to 2 students. Okay, and if I am going to take the half smiley. Okay, I am going to take the half smiley. So my dear students, what is the meaning of half smiley? 2 smiley is equal to 1 student. So half smiley is equal to 1 student. 1 smiley is equal to 2 students. So half smile, full smiley is equal to 2 students. So half smiley is equal to 1 student. Okay, dear, what I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, all dear students. So now we will going to count these things. Actor, how many smiley on astronaut? In astronaut, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 smiley. So each smiley is equal to 2. So 4 2s are 8. How many smiley, my dear students? 4 2s are 8. Got my points, all of you? Do fast. Then after, so in astronaut there are 8 students. So astronaut career choose 8 students. Understood? Then after the TV anchor. So there are 2 smiley. So each smiley is equal to 2 students. So 2 2s are 4. How many students? 2 2s are 4. You have to note down these things, beta, in your book. Do fast. Then after further the doctor. What is the meaning of the So all my dear students, sorry for that, not a doctor. Here the meaning of career. Okay, here the meaning of the career. Career means what? Career is you have to choose your field, right? Okay, means you have where you have to go, in which field you have to go. Doctor, your dream is going to be a doctor, scientist, is like that, anchor. So compulsory, my dear student, you have to note down these things. And here is they only choose a 4 career: astronaut, TV anchor and doctor and teacher. Okay, in doctor, how many smile in doctor? 2 full and 1 half. So as per I was told you, 2 2s are 4 and half is present at 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then after further teacher. So teacher is equal to 4 students choose a teacher field. Okay, my dear students, as like that we have to write this all things. Understood, all of you? Note down these all important things in your book, dear. Do fast. Okay, dear. So now after that you start drawing this graph, and then we will going to solve this question. So now we will going to move on question and answer. So now we will going to solve a question answer, my dear all students. I hope you all have understood the all question and answer. So let's check a question and answer, my dear students. Okay, so now first of all you have to write the instructions here. Study the graph to answer this question. So take out your book and start writing, all dear students. Study both graph to answer this question. Okay, so only we have done this graph we have going to left. Got my points, all of you? So it's called a bar graph. This is a pictograph and it's called a bar graph. Same things for the bar graph here. What is the matter of this pictograph and what is the matter of bar graph? So first of all, here over there is what? Here there first is title. So here, my dear students, here this is a title on above the graph. In bar graph and pictograph also first is there what? Also first is what over there? There is a what, my dear students? Title. This is all title of this given graph. Career choice of class 4 students. Career choice of class 4 students. Understood? Now here, my dear all students, here is a square form. Okay, square, and each square is equal to 2 people. How many people? Each square is presented at 2 square, but here only we are not presented 2. Each square is equal to here 1 student. Okay, so now here is method is what? Each square is equal to 1 student. Do fast, all students. You have to note down the sentence. So all my dear students, each square is equal to 1 student. See here the 1 square. How many square over here? Here a 1 square. 1, 2, 3 till to 9 square. Okay. Same things for here. Same things here. But this form, this graph is in a form of the bar graph. Got my points, all my dear students? So exonaut field. How many students choose the exonaut field? So we have to write this given strength. Here TV anchor is a 4, doctor and teacher. So here we are going to fill the question answer. So now first of all write the instructions again, dear. Study the both graph to answer this question. Study both graph to answer this question, and then you have to write the question number 1. Which is the most popular career choice? How many students choose it? Note down this question first, all my dear students. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. You have to write these things in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood, all my dear students, what I am telling you. You have to note down the question number 1. Which is the most popular career choice? Which is the most popular career choice? And how many students choose it? How many students choose it? So here most popular career choice. See, my dear students, in the graph. Astronaut. And how many students? 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8. So note down the answer, dear, in your book. Do fast. Which is the most popular career choice? So most popular career is their astronaut. What, my dear students? Astronaut. Astronaut. Note down these important things, all my dear students. You have to write in your book. Do fast. And my dear students, how many students choose it? How many students choose it? There are 8 students choose. 8 students choose what, my dear students? 8 students choose a astronaut career. So note down the answer, dear all. Do fast. So we have to write the answer here as like that 8 students. How many students over there, my dear students? There are 8 students. Okay, my dear students, note down the answer, dear. Do fast. And then here further, what we are going to write in further, we are going to write the question number 2. Let's check what is the question number 2, my dear. Question number 2 is, which two career choices are equally popular? Which two career choices are equally popular? So let's check here, my dear students, which career. Here is TV anchor and a teacher. Which, my dear students? TV anchor and teacher. They both, which career? TV anchor and teacher, they both career are equally popular. So here we are going to write TV anchor and teacher. Teacher. Note down the answer number 2, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. You have to write the answer in your book. This is the answer number 2, dear. Do fast. You have to write in your book, dear. And compulsory, my dear students, you have to note down this question and answer both in your book. And then after, further you have to write the question number 3. How many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? So means we have to write here the total strength of the students. So let's count with me here. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 2, 19, and 19 plus 2, 81. So total there are 21 students in class 4. So total there are 21 students in class 4. Got my points, all of you? Note down the answer number 3 in your book. Do fast. And then after, we have to write the question number 4. What is the question number 4? How many more students want to become a doctor than teacher? How many more students want to become doctor than teacher? So let's check. We have to compare here, doctor than teacher. So only one more students choose a doctor career rather than teachers. So you have to write what? You have to write there only one. So note down the answer, one more students. What you have to note down there? You have to write one more student. Do fast. And then we have to move on question number 4. What is the question number 4? So question number 4 is what? Question number 5 is what? How many students are represented in a half smiley? So full smiley is represented 2 students. So half smiley is present 1 student. Half smiley or symbol, it will be a represent 1 student. 1 student. Note down the answer number 5, beta. Do fast, all of you. You have to write in your book. And then a last question, what is the title of the graph? What we are going to check, my dear students? And then last we are going to check the title of the graph. Okay, first of all you have to write the question number 5. How many students are represented in a half smile? So half symbol, half smiley is equal to 1 student. Got my points? All dear students, note down the answer in your book. Do fast. You have to write these all things in your book, dear. How many students are represented half smiley? So half symbol, half smiley is equal to 1 student. And the last question, what is the title of the graph? What is the title of the graph? The title of the graph is here. Career choice. I am going to write the answer number, write the 6. Career choice of class 4. Career choice of class 4. This is answer number 6, dear. Note down the answer number 6. What is the title of the graph? Career choice of class 4. See. Okay, career choice of class 4 students. Note down the answer number 6 in your book, dear. Do fast. And in the next session, we are going to check what is a bar graph and 2 types of the bar graph, vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph. What we are going to check, my dear all students, in next session, we are going to check the bar graph, vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph. Understood all? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And compulsory, we have to write the 2 types of bar graph in next session. Okay, thank you so much, my dear all students. Thank you all of you.